In today's global economy, the sticker price is just the beginning. Freight, insurance, customs, and shifting tariffs can eat away at your profits if you're not tracking them right. For distributors, retailers, and manufacturers, guessing at these hidden costs makes competitive pricing a challenge. Acumatica eliminates the guesswork, turning landed costs into a strategic advantage for smarter, faster decisions and improved margins. First, ensure all purchased items have been received and receipts have been released. Next, create the landed cost document in Acumatica. Add lines to the landed cost document for related receipts. You can now specify landed cost codes for freight, duty, and insurance, and allocate costs by weight, quantity, or other methods, ensuring true cost accuracy for every item. The landed cost document can now be released. This triggers the system to calculate and allocate item costs, including inventory adjustment transactions. Release inventory adjustment transactions after they've been thoroughly reviewed. This step finalizes the cost allocation. You can now create the accounts payable bill for the vendor charges from the landed cost document. Finally, release the AP bill for payment using standard Acumatica payment workflows. Let's see this in action. It all begins by defining your cost drivers. In Acumatica, you aren't limited to miscellaneous fees. Create specific landed cost codes for every type of charge you incur: freight, duty, brokerage, even insurance. Allocation is just as flexible. Choose to spread costs by quantity, cost, weight, or volume, whatever strategy fits your business and costing goals. Link landed cost vendors, such as freight or customs brokers, directly into your workflow, keeping your accounts organized and accurate. Let's put this into action. Your shipment lands. You've received goods and a freight bill. With Acumatica, you can add landed costs directly from the purchase receipt. No waiting for end-of-month reconciliations. Enter the vendor, then enter the freight charges. Let's say that we received a $1,500 freight charge. Here, Acumatica instantly allocates that cost according to rules we defined, in this case, by weight. Release the landed cost and Acumatica handles the rest, updating the inventory value and preparing your AP bill. Your sales and purchasing teams see the real cost the moment items hit your shelves, enabling better pricing and profitability decisions. But what happens when a new customs bill or unexpected tariff bill arrives weeks later? In Acumatica, pull up the original receipt, even if you've already sold or consumed those items, and apply the new $3,500 tariff charge to it. The allocation methods are still the same. Acumatica instantly adjusts inventory values for what remains and records variances for what has already been sold, keeping your margins accurate without manual reversals. This means your profitability reports always reflect reality, even as global tariffs shift. Managing landed costs isn't just about compliance. It's how you stay agile, preserve profit, and price competitively, giving you the confidence to grow globally without sacrificing margins. With Acumatica, you can automate calculations, gain complete cost visibility, and empower your team to make confident decisions every step of the way. Acumatica also supports advanced scenarios like managing landed costs across multiple warehouses, handling complex tax requirements, customizing allocation methods for unique business needs, and managing containers via connected marketplace apps. Contact us today to learn more.